G'day everybody, Pepsi here from DIY Props. Today we're going to have a look at how to fix and repair your solar lights from your outdoor Christmas lights or your other decoration lights. They come like that and they're no longer working. Right, so we've got these lights here. I said I'd promise to come back and show you. So this here is just it's a Nokia cell phone charger with just cut the wires off something else I had for the charger for the thing, but you can use any of those little things, USB things you can get, just cut them off and cut the wires in. And we're just going to see if they go. As you can see again, I got them tied. There's little knots in here, so I know that's positive, so I can put the positive or the knots together, if you like, so it just makes it easier for me. I'm getting old, I don't have glasses yet, and being stubborn I probably won't get them for a while. So, and that there, you can see probably the lights there are now working. So from solar lights, for being thinking, oh my god, the solar's gone, useless, to hello, hey presto, repurposed, reused. That's what we do here. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we'll catch you next time. Have a great day everybody.